This time I'll explain the different types of brushes in detail. I will explain the add and subtract options in the category. Let's start with the blob brush. This brush deforms the mesh by inflating the areas you stroke. It creates smooth and organic shapes, making it perfect for sculpting soft forms. You can also create rounded protrusions by stroking the same spot multiple times. Pressing Shift switches to the smooth brush, which smooths out the areas you stroke. The smooth brush is found in the contrast category. If you want to change the strength of smoothing, you'll need to select this brush. Next is the clay brush. This brush lets you sculpt by adding a thin layer of clay to the surface. It's ideal for detailed sculpting when working on finer shapes. Now for the clay strips brush. This brush is similar to the clay brush, but its stroke shape is rectangular, making it better for adding larger volumes. It's useful for the initial stages of shaping or for sculpting large features like muscles. The clay thumb brush, as its name suggests, creates shapes as if you're pressing clay with your thumb. The crease polish brush is used to create clean creases. By stroking the same area multiple times, you can define clean grooves. If you hold Control while using this brush, it creates an edge instead. A similar brush is the crease sharp brush, which creates sharper grooves than the crease polish brush. Next is the draw brush, one of the most basic brushes. Its rounded strokes are similar to the blob brush, but the draw brush produces slightly sharper and more defined shapes. Beside it is the draw sharp brush, which can create grooves. Holding Control while using it lets you create edges. It's similar to the crease sharp brush, but the edges it creates are softer and less intense, making it suitable for different purposes depending on your needs. The inflate brush, as its name implies, inflates the areas you stroke. It's slower and more uniform than the blow brush, making it useful for evenly inflating thin shapes. Finally, the layer brush. This brush adds volume layer by layer as you stroke. It may take some practice to master, but it's a powerful tool for achieving precise results. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.